Hi you all, Maring Ana is back and for today's video and content, another price update naman tayo dito sa KingL Telecom. As you can see, nasa ibang background tayo since meron tayong customer dito sa isang side. But right now, nandito ako sa KingL Telecom. And KingL Telecom is located at 3rd floor V Mall, San Juan City. If by any chance, pupunta kayo dito, walk-in customer kayo, sakay lang kayo ng elevator, press 3rd floor, and then pag open ng elevator, center lang yan, dire-diretso, and then KingL Telecom na. And yung Tiangge nila, that is XA07, 2nd floor Tiangge din yon. If by any chance then, pwede nyo din pagtanong doon sa si Ate Mayet or si Boss Mayet. Ituturo naman na kayo doon. So, price update tayo sa KingL Telecom when it comes naman sa kanilang Samsung. So, we have a lot of Samsung in here. So, marami tayo ditong Ultra na Samsung. So, let's start with 23 Ultra. So, we have here S23 Ultra ng Samsung. Anyways pala mga sis-Mars, yung mga purchase nyo palang unit dito sa KingL Telecom, automatic yan na may cashback or discount pa kayo. Basta follower or subscriber lang kayo, of course, sa ating YouTube channel and also sa page nila, which is CMB Gadget. And sa freebies naman, meron silang gift box, case, and also kasama pa kayo sa on-the-spot raffle nila na may lamang cash, gift box, cash, yeah, I forgot. Meron lamang cash, AirPods, smartwatch, and also Android phone. So, let's start with S22 Ultra. So, we only have 4 S22 Ultra in here. Ito, hold on. Ay, taligtad. So, we have 4S22 Ultra dito sa KingL Telecom. Ang gigabytes na meron tayo dito is 256 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes yung meron tayo dito. So, 4 yung available na nilang stocks dito sa KingL Telecom. At this is 26,000. Again, yung S22 Ultra nila is 26,000. So, minus cashback pa yan or may cashback pa yan. Basta follower or subscriber kayo, of course, sa ating channel. Next thing that we have in here, we have S23 Ultra. So, we also have a lot of S23 Ultra. Sa S22 Ultra, same 256 gigabytes yung available nila dito. And this is 36,000 pesos. Next thing that we have is S24 Ultra. So, 256 gigabytes din dito. Purple yung color. Ito, purple yung color. And this is 46,000. Meron din tayong S24 Plus dito. 256 gigabytes. Ay, hindi. 512 gigabytes. Sorry. And this is 37,000. Next naman ay meron tayo ditong brand new na S24 Ultra. 256 gigabyte gray yung available na color. So, this is 53,000. Again, mag-message lang kayo sa page nila, CMB Gadgets. Nasa link ng ating YouTube channel, yung kanilang page. If by any chance you want to ask them some questions and hindi ko nasagot dito sa videos natin, okay? So, when it comes naman sa warranty, they have 7 days replacement warranty. Basta wala lang pong damage. Of course, yung unit, kung paano nyo siya nabili, ganun nyo din sila ibabalik. Walang basag, walang dents, no software damage, or no internal damage. So, meron yun 7 days replacement warranty. Aside from that, huwag kayo mag-alala. If by any chance na nagkaroon ng problem, meron din naman silang ma-offer na 3 months service warranty. Yung 3 months service warranty po, may IT sila, and pwede nila kayo i-assist when it comes sa magiging problem ng unit nyo. Maring Ana, sa payment naman po, ano pong payment na may offer ni KingL Telecom? So, KingL Telecom is also have cash on delivery, So, KingL Telecom also have na bank transfer, ayan, credit cards, debit cards, any of your cards. GCash, meron din po sila niyan. Of course, cash. And meron din silang installment. Yes, meron po silang installment using credit card and of your credit cards. And also, G-Gives. Sa credit card, may specific lang kayo na sa credit card, merong interest yan. It depends na lang sa interest ng bank nyo. So, next thing is about delivery naman. Yes, they deliver nationwide, nearby, and also outside Metro Manila. Outside Metro Manila through LBC yan. Of course, the shipping fee will be shouldered by the buyer. And within Metro Manila, yes, they can also offer cash on delivery. Pero silang sariling rider and they make sure na makakarating sa inyo yung unit inyo. So that is just a quick update when it comes to Samsung dito sa KingL Telecom. Once again, my name is Maring Anna. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my TikTok account, astories.ugc buyers.